Welcome to my channel. Have you ever felt that English is inside your head, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out? What if one very easy English story could help you speak with more confidence in just 7 days? Sounds simple, right? But here's the strange part. Most people never try it the right way. Stay with me until the end, because this video is not just for listening. This video is for speaking. And by the final chapter, you will feel a real change. Before we start the story, I have one small request. If you really want to improve your English speaking, please subscribe to the channel right now. Like this video to support easy English learning. And comment below. I will practice. Also, watch the full video because every chapter connects to the next. If you skip one part, you miss the power. Now, let's begin, and don't worry, this is easy English. You can do this. Chapter 1, the easy story that starts everything. Let me tell you a very easy story, a simple story, a real-life story, a story anyone can understand. A man wakes up early in the morning. He feels tired. He looks at the clock. He is late. Now, pause for 1 second and say it with me. He is late. Good. That is shadowing. You listen and you speak. At the same time, most people never notice this, but stories feel safe. They don't feel like study. They feel like life. The man gets out of bed. He washes his face. He looks in the mirror. He feels nervous. He has an interview today. Here's the strange part. When you speak a story, your brain focuses on meaning, not mistakes. That's why this works. You don't stop, you don't translate, you just follow the voice. Let me show you what changed everything. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, your mouth is moving. That is progress. Now the man wears his clothes. He checks his phone. No messages. He feels more nervous. This emotion is important. Emotion makes words stick. When you shadow emotional stories, your memory becomes stronger. Say this line with me. He feels nervous. Simple words, big power. Viewer spike moment here. You are speaking English without pressure. This story is easy. That is the point. Easy stories build confidence. Confidence builds speaking. After just 1 day, you feel lighter. And now, as the story continues, so does your English. In the next chapter, I will show you how to shadow this same story correctly so your speaking improves faster. Chapter 2, how to shadow this story correctly. Now, let's talk about how to use this story the right way. Shadowing is very simple. You listen and speak together, not after, together. Same speed, same rhythm. But here's the strange part. It feels uncomfortable at first, and that's good. Most people stop here. They think, this is too hard. But let me tell you something important. If it feels strange, it means your mouth is learning something new. The man leaves his house. He locks the door. He walks fast. He looks at the street. Cars are moving. People are busy. Say it with me. People are busy. You don't stop. You don't fix mistakes. You keep going. Most people never notice this rule, but stopping kills fluency. Flow creates fluency. You don't need to understand every word. This is very important. Understanding comes later. First comes sound. Your brain learns English like music, not like math. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. When they stopped translating, their speaking became smoother. Viewer spike moment right here. Shadow slowly at first, then a little faster. Relax your mouth. Relax your shoulders. Smile. Yes, smiling helps pronunciation. Strange, right? But it works. After doing this for a few minutes, you feel tired. That is okay. That means your speaking muscles are working. And now something starts to change. In the next chapter, you will feel it. Chapter 3, What You Feel. After 3 days of practice, after 3 days of practicing this easy English story, something interesting happens. You don't panic as much. Your mouth opens faster, your fear becomes smaller. Most people never notice this early change, but it is very important. This is the foundation. The man reaches the bus stop. He waits. The bus is late. He looks around. He checks the time again. Say it with me. The bus is late. Easy, clear, strong. You notice your voice is a little louder now. That is confidence growing. Here's the strange part. You start to hear English more clearly. When someone speaks English, your ears understand faster. Your brain predicts words. This is a big step. Let me show you what changed everything. Learners stop saying, I can't speak. They start saying, I am learning. After 3 days, you may catch yourself talking to yourself in English. Just small sentences. That is a top moment. That is English becoming natural. Viewer spike here. Don't ignore it. Celebrate it. The man finally gets on the bus. He sits down. He breathes deeply. He feels calm. And so do you. Because now you know this method works. But wait, day 7 is even more powerful. And that's where we are going next. Chapter 4, The 7-Day Speaking Change. After 7 days of shadowing this easy English story, the change becomes clear. Very clear. You speak with less thinking. Your sentences come out faster. Your voice sounds stronger. Most people are shocked at this stage. They say, I didn't know I could speak like this. The man arrives at the interview place. He stands at the door. He takes a deep breath. He says, Good morning. Simple words. Big confidence. Say it with me. Good morning. This is real life English. This is why stories work. Here's the strange part. Your mistakes don't stop you anymore. You speak even when you're not sure. And that is the secret. Fluency is not about being correct. It is about being brave. Let me show you what changed everything. After 7 days, English feels familiar, not scary. The interviewer smiles. The man answers questions. Not perfect, but clear. Viewer spike moment. This is where confidence replaces fear. And this confidence doesn't come from talent, it comes from daily shadowing. But there is one mistake that can stop all this progress, and many learners make it. Let's talk about that now. Chapter 5, The one mistake that stops speaking growth. The biggest mistake English learners make is trying to be perfect. They stop, they repeat, they correct every word. But here's the strange part. Perfection kills flow, and flow is what you need for speaking. If the man stopped to fix every word, he would never finish a sentence. Same for you. Let me show you what changed everything. When learners allowed mistakes, their fluency improved fast. You are not bad at English. You are just practicing. Say that again. I am practicing. Most people never hear this message. Viewer spike here. Be kind to yourself. Shadowing works only when you keep going. Even if your pronunciation feels wrong, even if you miss a word, keep going. This trains your brain to think in English, not translate. After 7 days, this mindset creates freedom. And now, let's lock this habit into your daily life, because consistency is the final key. Chapter 6, Your Daily Easy English Speaking Routine. Here is your simple daily routine, 10 to 15 minutes. One easy story, one voice. You listen, you shadow, you repeat. That's it. No stress, no heavy study. Most people never believe something this simple can work, but it does. Imagine your English after 1 month of this practice. You speak more, you fear less, you enjoy English. Viewer spike moment. This is not a dream. This is a habit. Use real life stories. Your morning, your work, your day. Turn them into English. Speak them out loud. Record yourself if you can. Listen again. Smile at your progress. And remember this: English is a skill, not a test, not a subject, a skill. Skills grow with use. Every day you shadow, you grow. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel for more easy English stories. Like the video if you spoke even one sentence today. And comment below. Day 1 started. Your English voice is already inside you. You just need to use it.